to the open house. Come on in. We are at 553 Cooper Avenue in Yuba City, located just right down the street from all the fun stuff that happens over on Plumas Street in Yuba City. Lots of activities there. This home was built in 1933, and it's loaded with all kinds of original character, including this beautiful hardwood floor. It's actually laid in a little bit of a pattern in the dining room, which I think is very charming. And this home does have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Come on down the hall and we'll check those out. This home is about 1,035 square feet. It does have a formal area for dining. And then check out this retro kitchen. It's a lot of fun. So in here, it is just like loaded with color. You have these vintage retro tiles here. Just makes it feel a little fun while you're in here cooking. And as you can see, original cabinetry from when the home was built in the 30s as well. Welcome to the sun porch. This little area has entrance to the home through the garage and also a space for your laundry room, and we can access the backyard. So let's go check that out. This amazing willow tree. It is definitely catches your eye and offers a lot of shade to this cute little backyard, fun for entertaining. I didn't tell you guys about the amazing price. This home is listed at just $235,000. There's not a whole lot on the market in that price range. So if you are wanting a little bit more info, please reach out to me. I would love to set a date to talk about real estate. Thanks for coming to the open house, and stay tuned for the next one.